Hi guys, I'm Zach from NerdWorks Media, and in today's video we are finally picking up the Turbo Miata and we are going to be getting my first reactions. Callum is going to take us for a drive in a minute so that he can show me on both low boost and high boost. I've never driven a fast car, so I'm actually intimidated to drive it. So he's going to show me it on high boost and stuff, and maybe a little bit of wheel spin, and then I'll drive it like a normal human being because I'm scared. First, I have a list on my phone because I have a bunch of people that I just want to thank who helped with both the build and then the rebuild, and then obviously now the turbo build. So firstly, a big thank you to Callum and Dan for helping with the turbo kit and doing it so bloody fast. I was expecting this to take a lot longer than it actually did, but you guys worked amazingly. Your wiring was ridiculous. I love it. I wanted to give a thank to Full Race Engineering for helping with the welding of the oil return on the sump, and obviously the clutch, and a whole bunch of other advice and stuff. Micro Engineering for helping me with the rebuild. You said it was Matt that helped with the
Matt did a lot of the welding, yeah.
Yeah, so Matt, if you're watching, hi. Thank you for the really pretty welds. These things look insane. I want to give a thanks to my dad, obviously, for helping with the rebuild and all of my nonsense during that. I wanted to give a big thank you to my mom for obviously driving me around for everything, and then obviously helping with a little bit of money towards this as well. And then a last but definitely not least, very big thank you to my aunt for helping with a lot of the money that went onto this. So a very big thank you to all of my sponsors. There we go. And yeah, let's go find out how this car feels, and let's see if Callum can make me cry. To interior footage. Hi guys, a super short little intermission quickly before we get to the really cool stuff of me actually experiencing my car for the first time. So first off, I have new merch available, not Jurassic Park tops obviously, but what you see on screen now, hopefully. Basically, I've got a t-shirt of a 200SX, a Miata, a RX-7, and a Mark V Supra coming out. So if you guys have ever wanted to support the channel, there we go. Now you guys have an option to do so. Going to be 100% honest with you, it's just something very small that my mom and I can do. So they're not necessarily the greatest shirts in the world, and not necessarily even the greatest quality in the world, but is what it is. And if you've ever wanted to support the channel, it's a small little thing that you can now do. Additionally, things like the radiator shroud and the door sills are now available, as well as the number plate brackets, I think. Anyway, so with a whole bunch of stuff now newly available on my website, I highly check that you give it a look down in the link below. And yeah, back to normal content for you guys.
And then it stabilizes.
Okay, cool. No stress.
You'll find it'll do the same, probably cold. And we'll probably find in winter we have to tune for really cold weather that I obviously can't do now.
No, that's fine.
And your window stopped working again.
Oh, I don't know what's wrong with it, dude. It's fine.
It was good for a couple of days, and then we decided no.
Don't stress about it.
But
fuck,
it's
dude.
smooth.
How does my clutch feel?
Oh, it's good, dude. It takes quite short. I think I did stall it once, but other than that, it's perfect. It holds the power, no problem. It does everything it's supposed to.
Sick.
And it doesn't shudder like mine, which is quite nice.
Yeah.
You'll hear turbo noises all the freaking time.
Oh, yay. I'm keen.
Thanks, man. I've left you with a quarter tank, so we've used a bit of fuel with all the tuning and whatnot.
No problem. I'll fill up before I go.
So we are still on high boost.
Okay, wait, so this is high boost now. Oh, dude, I'm so keen on the noises. This is gonna be sick.
That sounds good, man. But she's super smooth and nice.
Yeah, she feels great already, so. Oh, dude, the turbo noises are unreal. I'm in love.
And we would get stuck in slow traffic.
Oh, of course we would.
Drive.
Yeah, of course we would. What do you think this is, Callum?
Okay, this is where I want to give it a pull. So
Okay, well, I'm just gonna
stick it back on, or whatever.
I'm just gonna hold it. It's fine. Oh my fuck, dude! is stupid. And that's on high boost.
That's on high boost. We touched 0.57 there, so
It's insane.
Yeah, it'll probably peak at about 0.6 on a cool day and hold about 0.55, which is,
Fuck me, dude.
I think, a good starting point.
I was terrified that was a car. Oh my word, dude, that is insane.
She goes. I mean, it just spun the wheels all the way through first, and I think a bit into second.
Yeah, I felt it sideways in second. That is ridiculous, dude.
She's wild. So yeah, that's how she pulls.
That is amazing. I am thoroughly impressed, and I can feel I've already got a tingle in my hands. This is insane.
So we'll take a chill drive back. I just wanted to show you what she does there.
Fair enough.
We are stuck in load shedding traffic now, so.
Mr. Taxi, what are you doing?
Just wheel spin.
Dude, insane.
All the noises.
Oh, dude, I am beyond happy right now. This is insane. I love this.
So it just spins in first gear, so yeah.
Be careful in first.
Be very careful in first. Yeah, you might have to, you'll probably finish these tires pretty fast, and you might have to put on some stickier tires.
Yeah. That's insane, dude. I have no words. I'm thrilled. Oh, and the blow off noises. I hope you guys can hear it in the video. That's insane.
Perfectly smooth and comfortable.
Yeah, I can see,
cruising.
and like just normal driving and stuff, it's super quiet. It'll be just nice and chill to just cruise. Still make really nice noises if I wanted to.
Yeah.
Maybe shoot a flame or two.
Yeah, we got one there, definitely. That was half throttle.
Half throttle.
Tomorrow.
Okay guys, so unfortunately from the last part that you watched, after Callum took me for a ride, there was just a lot and I needed to go and blah blah blah. So in short, I just drove my car back. I didn't do too much playing around. I did one or two little sorry, people are trying to know. Yeah. I did like one or two little second gear pulls, but nothing crazy because I know that my car is intense and I am actually scared of it. But I thought I'd get my first reaction here on camera. My girlfriend is in the passenger seat, so if you hear some random squeaks and stuff, it's from her. So this will be my first gear pull, which should light up my tires, which is terrifying, as well as then from into second. I can't really go much faster than that because public roads, but yeah. I've just sat and I've let my car get up to temperature, so everything should be good. So this is going to be my first dual reaction here. My heart is in my stomach, or my stomach is where my heart is. I don't know, but I am actually scared of my car, and it is very intimidating to actually be driving. So let's just not hit bumps or hit all of them. That is insane. I can't keep my hands still. Noises, by the way, 10 out of 10. I don't know if you can hear them. The exhaust is insane. It's beautiful. The blow valve is amazing. I don't even know what else to comment. It sounds so good. fun. Hi guys, I forgot to film an outro. So as you can see, I've just filmed my piece with this, which are newly available. Go check out my website down in the description below. Yes. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we'll be taking a whole bunch of family members and friends for a ride in my car. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and until next time guys, cheers.